How would you like to increase your SAT math score? I would like for you to meet Jordan Boykins. He increased his SAT math score by 80 points. This is Devin Smithwick. He increased his SAT math score by 40 points. Would you like to know how these young men increased their SAT math scores? They enrolled in the Math One-on-One LLC SAT Math Bootcamp. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sandra Carter, and I'm known as the Math Lady. I'm a graduate of Southern University A&M and the Georgia Institute of Technology. I'm the founder of Math One-on-One LLC based in Atlanta, Georgia. Our company has published the text, How to Help Parents and Kids Get Over the Fear of Math. We also wrote, produced, and directed the Math Lady Video Fun Interactive Math Workshop for students in grades 3 through 10. We've also published the SAT Math Bootcamp, and we're very happy to be the employer of college students and recent college graduates as tutors in math, physics, and chemistry to give them the opportunity to make extra money while in college and earn valuable work experience. Let me share more detail with you about our SAT Math Bootcamp. As you know, higher scores on the SAT pathway to college scholarships and minimal college debt. This is a 6.5-hour boot camp with 7 modules. We teach you about the structure, strategy, and terms of the math portion of the SAT. You cannot approach this test as you would any test in school. You have to have a strategy, and we are here to help you with that strategy. Module 2 speaks on arithmetic, 3 parts of algebra, 4th, problem solving and data analysis, 5th, passport to advanced math, 6th, additional topics in math, and module 7 is my favorite, traps to avoid. I want to share with you some changes to the SAT digital math exam since 2024. First, the paper-based SAT is no longer available. The SAT is all digital. The calculator is allowed on both math sections. There is a reduction in the number of math questions from 58 to 44. And there's a reduction in time to complete the math questions from 80 to 70 minutes. And that's a little bit less than 2 minutes per problem. This test is adaptive. That means the difficulty of Module 2 adjusts based on your performance in Module 1. The better performance in Module 1 unlocks access to higher scoring questions in Module 2. Additionally, the Blue Book Testing app has a built-in calculator, formula sheet, timer, and allows you to flag skipped questions. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the Blue Book Testing app prior to test day. We want you to know that we're happy to share with you that students who have completed our SAT Math Bootcamp have increased their SAT Math scores by an average of 60 points, and you can too. Here are our numbers. We want to share with you 4 tips to increase your math score for working problems on the digital format of the SAT. First, as I mentioned previously, familiarize yourself with the Blue Book Testing app prior to test day. It has a calculator and reference formulas. It draws the graphs for you. This is a time saver. Secondly, convert mixed fractions into improper fractions for working problems. Do not enter symbols such as $sign, %sign, or comma. And lastly, credit is given if you reduce the fraction or not. Reduce the fraction if simplest form is required in the session. If you found this information helpful to you, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, One-on-One Math, and listen to another video, 10 tips to increase your math SAT score. This video was modified in light of the changes to the SAT in 2024. You're probably wondering, how can I increase my SAT math score? I'm glad you asked. Act now and order the SAT Math Bootcamp. It includes a 200-plus page course manual and the text, How to Help Parents and Kids Get Over the Fear of Math, as well as questions and answers. This is a 6.5-hour boot camp. If you have at least 10 students, then you can sign up for an in-person or online boot camp. It can also be a potential fundraising opportunity for your youth group. If you are a parent with only one student who needs support, you can have a 2-hour SAT Math Bootcamp Q&A session with the Math Lady. The course material will be provided in advance. The student will have the opportunity to review the material and come prepared with questions for the Math Lady. Now that you know what we have to offer, reach out to us. We're happy to help you improve your SAT math score. Telephone number is 404-358-2383. You can order the SAT Math Bootcamp on our website, www.math1on1.net. You can go to LinkedIn and look at our page, Math One-on-One LLC, or look at our Facebook fan page, The Math Lady with the R in parentheses, to denote a service mark from the United States Patent and Trademark Office. If you don't see the R service mark, it is not the Math Lady. Reach out to us at Math One-on-One LLC. We're here to help move you from fear to ferocity, from pain to power, and from apathy to academic excellence.